Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to split screen on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, by utilizing split screen mode, users can increase their productivity by comparing information from two different apps, copying and pasting content between apps, or referencing one app while working on another. Not only that, split screen mode also enhances efficiency by reducing the time spent switching back and forth between apps. Users can keep both apps visible on the screen and easily transition between them as needed. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, open the application you want to split. Okay, next tap on Reset button and click the app icon like this. Okay, after that select Open in Split Screen View. Next, select another application to display on another part of the screen. Okay, so on to the second step. Open the settings menu on your device. And here, please scroll down. So, select Advanced Features. Well, and here you can choose Multi-Window and turn on the first option here. So, simply swipe up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen to split screen. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to split screen on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.